Hi and welcome to our channel with a new video. The law of attraction is among the most ancient universal laws. It just means to depict that whatever circumstances we face in our life are the result of what we thought in our past. Thoughts dominate our mind, they have to manifest in our life. The circumstances we face, the people we meet, the relationships we make, the money we make, the house we live in, these all are the outcome of what we have been thinking with little bit more concentration, or simply saying what we have been thinking the most. Have you ever observed when you get angry or frustrated in the morning, it often happens that your whole day sucks? The whole day sucks is a phenomenon that is happening because we attracted it in the morning. By the end of the video you will learn what exactly is law of attraction and 3 very simple steps to start implementing right away. Before moving forward, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So, what exactly is the law of attraction? The law of attraction is a belief or theory that like attracts like, and that by focusing on positive or negative thoughts, one can bring about positive or negative results. Speaking shortly, I will define the law of attraction in one line as: what we think, we manifest. It's simple. We attract in our daily life with our thoughts and feelings. For example, if we keep thinking that we have no money in our bank account, we will be attracting no money in our life. Similarly, if we feel depressed due to workload or other anxieties, we will be welcoming more depression and anxieties. So we are using this universal law all the time whether we know it or not. Things happening in our daily lives are due to this law of attraction. What does science say about the law of attraction? Thomas Troward, who was among the big guns of the New Thought movement, claimed that thought precedes physical form, and that the action of mind plants the nucleus which, if allowed to grow undisturbed, will eventually attract to itself all the conditions necessary for its manifestation in outward visible form. Later on, metaphysicians also supported the existence of the law of attraction in our daily life. After that, the arrival of the book The Secret brought up a great revolution in the societies and religious beliefs. So the law of attraction is much more the game of your mindset. If you are sincerely able to abide by the principles of the law, you will discover that you can get anything in your life that you love to achieve. How to use the law of attraction? As I mentioned earlier, that what we think, we manifest. What we are going to keep in our mind and concentrate on it, we are actually bringing it in the process of manifestation. Using the law of attraction is very easy if you keep a firm belief in your thoughts and visualization. Here I will teach you how you can use the law of attraction in your life to get anything you desire to achieve. It consists of only 3 steps, which are: Number 1, ask. Number 2, feel. Number 3, give. Let's understand these steps in a very simple language. Step 1, ask. The first step is to desire what you want in your life. Definitely you cannot get money if you have not planned to get it. Similarly, you will not go on vacation to Spain until you have not planned it. So asking is the first step towards using the law of attraction in your life. Sit down, take a pen and paper, relax and think about what you desire in your life. Write down everything that comes into your mind, whether it's a lot of money, a good life partner or whatever, just note it on the paper. Once you have prepared the list of your dreams or wishes, proceed to the next step. Step 2, feel. Once you have prepared a list of all of your desires, you have instructed your mind to get ready to achieve. Now start feeling like you have everything in your life that is on that piece of paper and already be grateful for it. If you wrote that you want a lot of money, then from now onwards, start feeling like you have a lot of money in your account. Bring up that joy in you when you have $100,000 in your account. Feel like you have a perfect partner in your life and you are living a prosperous life. So start imagining that you have access to everything that you have written on that piece of paper and feel gratitude for this abundance. What happens here that the universe begins to listen to these consistent thoughts and the manifestation process comes into the picture. Simply speaking, the main idea behind this step is: what you want to achieve in your life, feel like you already have it. Period. Step 3, give. The last step in the completion of the law of attraction process is to give. There is a principle behind this whole process. The more you give, the more you get back. So give from whatever you have in your life. If you can give happiness to someone, go ahead. If you have money, give it without worrying about the amount. Many people get stuck on this step and have some doubts in their minds, and they are right at it. As a common person, we think that dividing something reduces it. But it is opposite in the law of attraction. This law states that if you give something to someone, you shall get it back multiplied. The question is, how is it possible? The answer is quite simple and logical. During the process, you think like you have a lot of something, say it's money, and you give some money to others. This feeling of abundance ignites the second process, that is feel. So when giving something, feel like you already have abundance of it and you shall have abundance of it. So the give process helps in firming your belief that you already have abundance of everything. This is what law of attraction states. Ask, feel and give. So the crux of this law lies in your thoughts. Negative thoughts will bring up negative circumstances and vice versa. So start using the law of attraction in your life from now onwards. In the beginning, it will take some time to control your thoughts and keep them positive ones, but gradually you will start to have a grip over your thoughts and things will start working as the law of attraction will come into action. It's you who can change your life right now and forever. So go ahead and take advantage of this law and be happy. Good luck. Check out the links in the description below in order to receive some free gifts. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and you will be notified when putting out a new video. Thanks for watching it.